I know it's been a while, finally back with another video. As you guys can see in the beginning of the video, I done did everything possible to Layla over that time since the last video when the transmission gave out. Picked up a K28-2 Type S transmission, gear selector, shifter box, shifter cables. I've been wanting to do the engine bay over for the longest time, bro. And I just never had a reason to do it. But once the transmission had went, I was like, you know what? F it, this is my chance. Taking everything out, do everything completely over. Y'all done see me take the motor and transmission out of this car too many times, it's getting repetitive. I just didn't want to film all of that because it's something I already done too many times on this channel. Main reason why there hasn't been any videos for a while, for the simple fact I was dealing with kidney stones, I got a hernia. I can't really do much of anything as far as car related, as far as like heavy lifting anymore. In other words, I'm getting old. I'm not happy about it. Also, getting the car retuned, so I should be able to get enough footage of that. I also started getting into photography now too. So I sold a lot of things. I got rid of a lot of stuff because I realized all that stuff I didn't really need anymore, such as the fuel tank, the turbo kit. I sold all of that. I even sold my ITR wheels for personal reasons. But the fuel tank and the turbo kit, I sold because I just didn't care for any of that no more, like at all. Everything else been really good. So this is gonna be my last time filming a video on the iPhone. Bear with me, I'm still learning how to really use this camera, so some parts may be bright and some parts may be too dark. I'm just trying to get my experience up with actually using the actual camera now instead of using the iPhone. The iPhone does everything automatically, which is pretty much cheating, right? It's been a while, I kind of forgot how to do this. Make sure you guys hit the like, please leave a comment, subscribe. Let's have some fun.
Yeah, you seen that little kid running with the tablet? He's like, man, you pay the pool, bro. I was like, yeah.
Oh, I seen the comment at the gas station. I was like, if I hit this shit, he gonna pull out. I was just like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I wanted to do it bad. See, I was
wait a little bit. So I wait for you to make a little bit of noise out there, then I'll hit it.
Sure enough, all I hear is nothing but the turbo.
That's probably what he's hearing.
I know Jerry was itching to do a pull to race somebody.
I did, though. That's not like me. I was like, it hurt me. It hurt.
You can't show out, nigga.
All the boost.
I mean, all of it, bro.
Versus the first.
I mean, 4,000, whatever the horsepower of this shit, man. I'll do it. I'll send it. I'll send it. My foot, I wouldn't fuck it.
Close your eyes and go.
Yeah.
Right? Pray for the best.
Point and shoot.
Pretty much. Like I'm doing pointing and shooting.
There's consequences when every time I'm pointing and shooting.
Man.
I got 3 of them.
I had fun. That's what you was doing over here, doing reels. I kept hearing different songs and shit. It's clean.
Yo, we gotta go to that spot, bro.
Oh yeah.
That spot.
Shit, we go today. Fuck it.
That shit dope.
We'll go today.
Hopefully it's not. Yesterday was pretty busy. I had to wait like at least 30 minutes just to get the wood ramp.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
It's that mad just to get the wood.
Oh, all right. And so Ant brought his Evo out today too. He barely drives it, but when he drives it, man, it's a beautiful sight. Huh? Yeah. If you can get it out, you choking right now.
Fuck them niggas, yo. So I go to the store. And I ask them niggas for a sub. And Ant talking shit because I'm fat or whatever. Typical Ant shit. And the nigga in the back, I guess he overheard Ant, and I asked for a sub. Nigga charged me $12 for a sub. My nigga, that shit was no bigger than this right here, my nigga. No bigger than this.
For real?
Nigga, a fucking hard roll, bro. I was like, what the fuck, man? I still had to eat that shit too, nigga. I'm fucking hungry, nigga.
I'm hungry as fuck.
Ant over here, this dumbass. He was talking mad shit. He was talking mad shit.
Flatbread, nigga.
So then I got here, I got my little Doritos or whatever, and a fucking fun size sandwich.
Niggas had a fun size sandwich. That's crazy.
Stupid, nigga. I never come to these. What store is that called right there?
I don't even know.
The fucking wrapper is edible too, that's why.
You find that shit funny, Jerry? Look at this nigga. You find that shit funny? I had to, nigga. I was finna die. I was gonna starve, nigga. What the fuck? Look at me, nigga. What the fuck? Look at me, nigga. Now I need now I ate that, and I need this shit to fill me up.
Yo.
That's shit was a White Castle burger. Get out of my goddamn face.
Vlogging. Can't stand this nigga
Women,
Jerry.
if you know, you know.
This TSX is clean. Yeah, that shit fire. Oh shit, I see an intercooler. This shit nice. Hell yeah. We all like popping hoods over here.
What you got we don't know about? Ooh, this was Ricardo.
Ricardo's hood? Oh shit. Euro R?
That's what your orange here? They come with those Ricardos?
Ooh.
I'm about to order those seats now for my car.
The Turbo TSX. You don't see that out here at all.
You get it, Tunter?
Oh yeah, I gotta get that on video. You gotta get that on video. They'll make, hopefully, man. Look at it's turbo. It's gonna make power, bro.
This is that mobile right here.
This shit nice, bro. How much you think you might make or plan on making?
Like 400.
Oh shit! Move, no. That shit sound good. I don't know. Hey. Come on, Billy.
Yo, that's your dog?
Alright, come on.
He is scared. He ain't trying to go over there.
At all.
He's like, what they doing over there?
Oh yeah, he's scared.
Oh, he's scared.
Yeah.
He got his tail between his legs.
She thinks she in trouble, yeah. Yeah, she thinks she in trouble. I fucked up.
Yeah, she peed. And look who just pulled up.
That's your car?
He been wanting, you know, he been wanting to smoke with the track car. I don't know.
I want the red. I don't want the blue one.
Huh? No. He ain't talking about that. He talking about the blue one. You don't know about the blue one.
I want the red one. I don't care about the blue one. I've seen the red one already.
Damn, y'all niggas done race and didn't even let me
I
know.
told you.
I ain't hear nothing.
I said, yo, let's go. I'm about to crack his shit real quick. Pause.
I didn't even hear it.
1-1. Yeah. He spun the first one. I know she put my e-brake on. I spun the whole 60 foot. You see the whole 60 foot in 2 lines.
I definitely heard y'all like, what the fuck is going on? Yeah, Cat was like, yeah, them motherfuckers went to go race. Like, damn, I ain't even know.
Yo, that fourth gear crazy. I don't know what's in that fourth gear. Nigga, the second race, I swear to God, on my life, nigga, because I went to go do a burnout.
Nah, my first one too.
I fucking. Shut the fuck up. I'm dead.
So what? It's tied.
Yeah, we got it.
So then the third one, let's be the tiebreaker.
Yeah. We'll get it.
I thought Jerry was racing because we heard that shit like, what the?
And I missed shift on the second race too, nigga. I was gone.
Third year.
No. It's gone?
It's not completely gone, but it ain't going in either. It like goes in when it wants to. I knew the synchro was bad
For
anyway.
the camera, tell them real quick, what was your experience with the race? Nigga, I broke tires the whole 60 foot that first
Yeah,
run.
that first one was bad. When I was looking, I was like, that one got him.
That first one, my e-brake got stuck a little bit, so the second run, I just left that
And
shit down.
that-
I didn't even
I was
bother.
gonna leave it down. I was like, nah, he probably got it up.
I
And then
didn't
fucking I
even
lost
bother.
third gear, nigga. Third gear, that one.
I did the burnout, and my shit got stuck. I had to hit it.
Get your ass down. I had to spank it. So everything should be good. I tried to zip tie some of the injectors, but it's like it's not really fully staying down, but they seem like to be sitting in place now that I swapped them over. Yeah, I tried to zip tie it, but it wasn't really helping it. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. Had a real good day over there at the dyno. I couldn't make it to the Cars and Coffee at BMW because of the simple fact that when I got there, I guess there was already 2 packs, so there wasn't like no more people in. So I went straight to the dyno, and I was literally the second car up there. Car made good power. So due to the temperature, it made 246. The car could have easily made 255, but since it was so muggy and hot out, but it was making power off the first pull, which is phenomenal. Because before, the first time I got the car to on the first pull, only made like 208, then 214, then 220, then 221. I'm like, okay, yeah, this car is struggling. Like I said before, injectors clogged up, alignment was bad. As you guys can see, also I had to put some tape on these injector clips. So mostly it was this injector right here that kept on popping out. So there's room for more power, which I'm not really too focused on right now because I'm getting into the whole photography thing now. So I'm gonna end the video right here. If you guys like it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I actually like filming more on actual camera because it's a lot quicker, better quality, better audio quality. So yeah, man, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.